Hey everyone, this is KJ back in the game again. As you can see, I am doing this video tutorial after so many, months. I haven't done any video tutorial. Anyways, I did created another giveaway, actually post, in which I gave away a sample landing page to my users, as you can see, to my visitors, and so many guys requested me to actually show you how exactly I make such landing pages, or how exactly I do this. So I decided to do this tutorial to show you how exactly it's done. So I'm using software called Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. You can get it from Adobe website. It's you can get it on 30-day trials period, so that won't be a problem. So anyways, let's get started. And actually I create all landing pages in image format. As you can see, this is image embedded in HTML file. So as you can see, so whenever a user clicks, wherever he clicks, no matter where, it will direct him to offer. Exactly. So let's get started now. Click file, new, and here you can see dimensions. And I'm using Leadimpact dimensions, as most of people use Leadimpact as their PPV network, so that's a bit more, common PPV network being used by people. So the width I keep on my landing pages is 775 pixels, and height is always 400 pixels. So I'll click OK, and here, as you can see, now we have got this blank page. So I'll add landing page headline. So headline text. I'll move it a bit more and I'll bring it down. So here it is, all headline text. Now here again it will be my body text, and actually body text font should be small. Let's do it 45, and its font color should be black. Let's make it more smaller, and this is all body text. Let's make it this way. And now let's see, this is our call to action button. Call to action. So this is the button where, I hope so most of you should be, or most of you are aware of what actually a call to action button is. It's actually where you write click here to sign up now, click here now, or buy now. And make sure this call to action button is easily viewable and everyone can see it easily. Should be highlighted, it must stand out and must be appealing. So as you can see, this is my basic landing page, and to make this call to action stand out, to make it more attractive, I'll actually add some animation, and that's the reason I use Photoshop, because it lets you create animations. Animating images becomes very easy with Photoshop. So let's see here. As you can see, go to Windows, Animation, and then you'll have to create one more frame. And in previous frame, as you can see, this call to action button, call to action text, and in second frame I don't want it to be visible, so that's why it will blink, see, like this. That's what I want. Now I'll set some time delay timing, and now let's see, that's how it looks like. So this is now my basic landing page, and now you can, if you want to make more advanced page, add images in same way you will add images in your landing page. And then what we'll do is we'll go to save for web and devices. Make sure if you're animating your image, make sure you save it in GIF format. And for that, click on File, Save for web and devices. Right, and here we will check our animation for finally, and that will be. I also wanted HTML file with it. There should be some. Yeah, I'll save it, and it will images only, format only, HTML and images. I want both. Let me see where this. Okay, and blink. Let's make it. Give it a name of blink. And now let me have a look at it. Tutorial images blink. As you can see, images has gone there, and I have a landing page over there. Oh, Firefox. Yeah, as you can see, here is the landing page we created. Now, in order to make it clickable or redirect it, all you will have to do is to edit this file, open with Composer. Guys, if you can't afford to buy Dreamweaver, I'll first of all recommend you to get Dreamweaver, but if you can't get that, use Composer. It's a free software for HTML files editing, and it's quite good. I really like it. And just this will be your redirect link provided by your tracker, whatever. Like if I use CPV Lab, I'll be given KJ. Let's say my CPV Lab is hosted on kjrocker.com, so this will be kjrocker.com base2.php, and that's it. Now I'll save it, and as you can see, this page is clickable now. And make sure you install all your codes provided to you by your tracker, no matter you are using Bevo Media, Prosper, or CPV Lab. Whatever you use, just make sure you place all your codes provided by your tracker in the page. And for trackers, I would highly recommend you to get CPV Lab. I have already made a post already on my blog. That's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'd love to hear back from you. If you have any questions or you have any suggestions, please do not hesitate to write into comments, and I'd love to get back to you. Bye bye.